Nighttime habits that heal your gut. While you sleep, your body shifts into repair mode at night. If your gut is inflamed, leaky, or imbalanced, sleep is when the deepest healing can happen, if you let it. This video reveals 5 science-backed nighttime habits that support gut lining repair, microbiome balance, and deep digestive reset while you sleep. Let's begin. Habit 1. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. Late night eating keeps your digestive system active when it should be resting and cleaning itself. Your gut uses something called the migrating motor complex, a sweeping electrical pattern that clears debris from your intestines, but only when you're fasting. When you stop eating at least 3 hours before bed, your gut can activate this process fully. No food equals full repair. Let your body clean house overnight. Habit 2. Drink gut-soothing tea. Chamomile, peppermint, and ginger tea all help calm the gut before bed. They reduce gas, bloating, and intestinal tension, while supporting the vagus nerve, your gut-brain connection. These herbs are also anti-inflammatory and can assist with liver detoxification. 1 cup. Sip slowly 30 to 60 minutes before sleep. Can relax both your mind and your gut lining. Sip and soothe. Habit 3. Gentle stretches or breathing. Stress disrupts digestion, and most people carry that tension into bed. But light stretching or just 5 minutes of deep breathing shifts your nervous system into the parasympathetic state, the rest and digest mode. Child's pose, knees to chest, or diaphragmatic breathing lying on your back. This sends a signal to your gut that it's safe to repair, absorb, and restore. A calm mind equals a calm gut. Habit 4. Take a prebiotic or L-glutamine supplement. Prebiotics like inulin, PHGG, or acacia fiber feed your good gut bacteria overnight. L-glutamine is an amino acid that fuels the cells lining your intestines and helps seal up microscopic leaks in the gut wall. This combo is ideal at night, when the body is primed for cellular regeneration. Fuel your microbiome, then repair your gut lining as you rest. Gut repair mode on. Habit 5. Get 7 to 9 hours of deep sleep. Sleep deprivation increases gut permeability, also known as leaky gut, and shifts your microbiome toward more inflammatory strains. Lack of sleep raises cortisol, weakens immune function, and blocks digestive recovery. To maximize gut repair, aim for at least 7 hours in a dark, cool room. Use blackout curtains, a white noise machine, and keep screens off 1 hour before bed. The deeper your sleep, the deeper your healing. Deep sleep equals deep gut repair. Let's recap your full nighttime gut healing routine. Stop eating by 7 p.m. Sip a calming herbal tea. Stretch or breathe before bed. Take a gut healing supplement. Prioritize 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Do this consistently for 7 days, and you may notice smoother digestion, less bloating, deeper sleep, and even clearer skin. Your gut doesn't heal with more supplements. It heals in rhythm, and your nights are the foundation. Your gut heals best in silence, stillness, and sleep. Master your nights, and your mornings will transform. Subscribe to Healing Paradigm, and tap the bell to catch our next video. The gut-skin connection. Why your microbiome controls your breakouts, because glowing skin starts in the gut. Good night and good gut health.